Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate Zoho Forms with Zoho CRM so you can automatically capture leads and update your customer data in real time in 2026. Let's get into it. First, start with a professional template. The first step is setting up your form using one of Zoho's high conversion layouts to ensure you're capturing the right data for your CRM. From your Zoho Forms dashboard, click the Create New button in the top right corner. Select Templates from the options and choose a layout that fits your needs, like a contact form or lead generation template. In 2026, templates come pre-configured with the standard fields most CRM modules require. Starting here saves you from manually building basic fields like email or company name, allowing you to skip straight to the connection phase. Next, access the CRM integration menu. Once your form design is ready, you need to open the bridge between your marketing form and your sales database. Look at the left sidebar inside the form builder and click on the integrations icon, the puzzle piece or linked circles. Find Zoho CRM in the list of available services and click on it to open the setup screen. This sidebar is the command center for your form's data flow. In 2026, Zoho has streamlined this menu so you can manage all third-party and internal connections in one place without leaving your active design workspace. From here, you can select your target CRM module and map your form questions to the corresponding CRM fields. In 2026, this direct sync is the most secure way to handle customer data. By selecting the correct module and mapping your fields, you ensure that every submission instantly creates a new organized record in your CRM, complete with all the details your sales team needs to follow up. And that's pretty much it. To integrate your accounts in 2026, click Create New and select a template to build your form. Then head to the integration icon in the left sidebar, find Zoho CRM, and follow the prompts to map your fields to the Leads or Contacts module. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.